Nice. 这群是老人群，对不对？加起来超过300岁。是老人？是老人吗？我还没有带入息的都不是。哇，你看那年轻，他是佣人，同队的都眼花了。我有去买辉哥的。哦，有什么好分享？Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Still try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But it won't be too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away. 那个偷跑的老板，啊，偷跑老板，大家电话打给的。
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain.